Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow our Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link in the comment section. So let's start with our trend on GBPUSD for the day. We would want to know our trend, and clearly this is our trend. That means we are trending to the downside. Now take a look at this movement on GU. This is our low. Here is the lower high. This is also our low. Here is the lower high. This is also the lower low. Here is the lower high. Markets eventually give us lower low, and the lower high is currently playing. So guys, we should still continue for the movement upward a bit, which is our lower high. Once it plays out finish, then we can now expect a new lower low. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. So with what market is doing, markets will likely push up a little bit, then a drop. So a little bit of a push up, then another drop is what we should be expecting on GBPUSD.